Okay guys, these are the 2XLG LTC 246 HLE1. Okay, this is the fly. Okay, these are the Daikin Hitachi, Daikin Sharp, and there's more Daikins. Air conditioner. We have these Mitsubishis. Okay, this is the Aqua. These are the Changhong air conditioners. We have another Changhong. These are the Samsungs. We have this Daikin, and then I don't know what is that brand. Maybe TCL and another TCL. We have more Daikins. Air conditioner. These are the Sharp and 1X. This is the TCL. 2X Old Sharp. These are the Daikins. This is the National. This is the Gree air conditioner, guys. These are the Daikins. Okay, we have these Nationals and Panasonic. Guys, we have the rare LG. These are the Gree, AWAX, Daikin, Gree, and there's more. Yo, what is that? Yo, bro, this is freaking cool, man. I think we got a Emerald. Emerson. Okay, guys, we just got the Emerson air conditioner. Bro, this is so rare. Are you waiting for this? With Daikin, we have these Daikin. More. Hey, yo, man, I saw there's a Fuji here. So these are the. Okay, Samsung Sharp. Okay, this is the Sharp, and we have these Mitsubishi. So rare, man. Guys, I just saw a Panasonic inverter right here. This is the Panasonic inverter that I want to search. And these are the Daikin inverter. Yeah, we have two right here, and we have more Daikins right there. Okay, Panasonic. Oh man, we just found an LG and other things more. Wait, did I just saw Panasonic LE right there? With these Changhong. Bro, I found something good again, man. It's an LG and a Panasonic. Yo, I just found a York.